Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Changkuoth Nyak. In today's report, President Salva Kiir has again invited opposition group and those who support peace to join the peace process. He said this is important for reconciliation and building the nation. Before we proceed, please, I would like you to help me by subscribing to my YouTube channel so that I can be able to reach out to more audience. Well, the president gave this message while speaking at the opening of the first session of the revitalized transitional national legislature on Wednesday, July 16, 2025. President Kiir said it is urgent for all groups to come together. He said that I offer my hand for peace once more. He said that our people are suffering and we cannot let this suffering continue because some group refuse to talk. The door to peace are still open, he said. He asked all groups that are not part of the peace process to join in. He said they should work together on the road to peace, unity, and building the country. One of the key parts of his message was about the opposition forces that support peace. He said these forces should be welcomed and quickly included in the national army. The opposition forces who want peace must be accepted and added to the national army. We need one army for the whole country, President Salva Kiir said. To help move the peace agreement forward, the president said he has reformed the high-level standing committee. This committee will help guide the peace process. The committee will work with election and justice organization to make sure they do their job on time and properly. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please, I would like you to help me by sharing, and do not forget to subscribe to Changkuoth Nyak YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.